Good morning, everybody. Today we have to study about science. In the last video, we have to study about adaptation in aerial animals. Page number 6, adaptation in reptile. There is a different example of reptiles. Example snake, earthworm, lizard, crocodile. These are the reptile animals. Those animals are creep on the land. That is known as reptile. Now one question is that which organs they use for creeping. You have to imagine that. Example snake, lizard, crocodile. They are all animal use their muscles for creeping. With the help of muscles, they are easily crawl or creep on the land. There is an example snake, tortoise and lizard I showed in this picture. Now, these are all body organs which are adapt for the movement. Now, I showed in this picture on the screen, there is a adaptation for success on land. Well developed lungs, their lungs are developed. Double loop circulatory system, water conserving excretory system, strong limbs, internal fertilization, cellate eggs. These are the some characteristic of reptiles that are crawl on the land. Second slide is that reptile movement and response. The following adaptation allow reptile to live in a dry environment. A strong skeleton. Reptiles have a strong skeleton. They have claws. Leg positioned under the body. Highly developed vision. Since reptiles are cold-blooded, this limit their habitat range. These are the characteristic and they adopt. That's why they adopt the given environment. In a third slide, how do these adaptation help? There is a thick fur coat. This thick fur coat is that trap heat to keep warm, means that is useful for to keep the body warm. Large body size to surface area ratio. It is useful for reduce heat loss by radiation. Large amount of body fat. If the inside the body there is a more fat, that is useful to act as a food storage and to keep warm. Camouflage with white fur is a good camouflage to hide from. Other slide is that how do reptiles serve in the desert? There are many reptiles in the desert. In this picture, there is a lizard and snake are example. Most reptiles will find some shade under a rock during the hottest part of the day. When walking on the hot sand, a lizard will try to touch the ground with only a small area. This lizard keep whooping feet and only stand on 2 feet at a time. The snake keep a loop of itself off the ground as it move across the sand sideways. Now adaptation for food in animal. Other slide shows that how do adaptation help animal serve in their environment. And adaptation is a body part or behavior that help an animal serve in a particular environment. Adaptation can help an animal breathe, catch food or hide. Means all these are the important factors for the adaptation in animal. All animals are adapt to live in a certain habitat. Animal that cannot adapt will die out. Means there is a need of adaptation. Each and every animal adapt with the environment. Adaptation in animal for obtaining food. Page number 7. Adaptation for food in the animal. We can categorize animal in two groups, herbivorous and carnivorous. These two group of animal, herbivorous and carnivorous, they have a special adaptation characteristic in each group. We will discuss in this greater detail in the chapter on nutrition. You have to observe the channel like National Geography Wild. This channel you have to observe on your TV. Adaptation in animal for obtaining food. Hunt in the pair. Some animals they are hunt with making pair or group. Adapt the feet, claws or talons. Mouth. In the mouth there is sharp pointed teeth or fangs, hooked beak, eagle, straw-like mouth, butterflies, wing eyelids. These are the given some example of adaptation for catching the food, or that is the adaptation for food in an animal. Some pictures are shown here, adaptation for food in the animal. After that there is a chart, page number 7. Complete the following chart from your own observation. Here is one example is that sharp teeth. Which animals have a sharp teeth? Like a lion, tiger. Why these teeth are sharp? Use of means these teeth are useful to tear the flesh or to catch the meat or to tear the meat. You have to write your own observation in this chart and complete this. Some examples are other, that is a very fantastic protective resemblance. Look at this picture. That isn't a leaf. It is not a leaf, but it like leaf. It's an insect. Its body resembles its environment very closely, and this is protective resemblance. The fact that an animal resembles something is protected means all that changes inside the body, it is useful and to live in the surrounding. Other example also, camouflage. The animal either blend in with their surrounding or disguise themselves as a something else. That is the adjustment with the nature. That is the example of adaptation. In other slide, there is a camouflage. A big able to blend into the environment is an adaptation known as a camouflage. This adaptation help animal blend in with their surrounding. I shown in this picture, there is animals, but they are matched with the environment, matched with the color, matched with the grass, matched with the soil, matched with the stone. That is the example of adjustment or adaptation. In this way, we have to stop here. The remaining part study in a next video. Goodbye.